Welcome back to my channel. I'm Behnam, and today in this video I want to teach you 5 incredibly practical tricks and powerful techniques in prompt engineering. After watching this, the quality of the answers you get from ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini will be night and day, becoming at least 10 times more accurate and customized. The 4th and 5th tricks in this video will completely change the game for you and do things with AI you never even thought possible. So, without further ado, hit that like button, and let's jump straight into the first trick. For this tutorial, I'm using Google Gemini, but you can use any chatbot you prefer, like Claude or ChatGPT. Act as a professional marketing expert and copywriter with 10 years of experience in retail stores. Write a strategy on how to double the sales of a physical clothing store on Instagram with a low budget. The tone should be highly persuasive, business-oriented, and focused on consumer psychology. See the difference? In the second output, the AI gave us actionable strategies, customer psychology techniques, and content creation ideas, acting exactly like a multi-thousand-dollar consultant, rather than giving generic, boring advice. So remember, always define the AI's role before anything else. Now, I'll click on New Chat to open up a brand new chat. Chain of thought technique trick number 2. Solve the following problem step by step. Before giving the final answer, analyze each stage in simple language, write down your reasoning, and explain why you chose this specific formula or decision so I can understand the logic behind it. Example. Question. I want to plan a small trip. What should I do first? When you ask questions like this, force it to think step by step. Modern AI models are designed to give you answers as quickly as possible. They are just like a student in an exam who wants to write the fastest answer, and, because of that rush, makes many calculation or logical errors. The chain of thought technique instructs the AI to write down its reasoning first before giving the final answer. This reduces the error rate of the models by up to 80%. This is especially true for math problems, coding, financial analysis, or tough business decisions. Let's test this prompt together. The AI is forced to follow a logical path. This technique ensures you not only get a more accurate answer, but also understand the reasoning behind how it arrived at that solution. I've written my sample question here. Now, I'll open another new chat again. Trick number 3, few-shot prompting, learning by example. Give it a pattern. Now write the new text exactly like this. Let's look at this template. I want to write a business email to convince a client. Carefully analyze the style, tone, and structure of the following examples, and write the new email in the exact same friendly yet professional manner. Example 1, your first sample text. Example 2, your second sample text. Now write about this topic. Many content creators or students say, no matter what I do, the text the AI writes is so obviously robotic. And you're absolutely right, because it doesn't know your personal voice and tone. But there is an incredible solution called few-shot prompting. Instead of explaining your tone with tons of adjectives, you just give it 2 or 3 of your previous works and say, look, this is my writing style. Your new email topic. I've pasted my examples here so that from now on, it writes the responses exactly like my samples. This trick is an absolute masterpiece for writing Instagram captions, video scripts, business emails, and even programming code. This makes your output feel completely natural, organic, and uniquely yours, so no one will ever guess I wrote it. Now, I want to ask my next question right here. Trick number 4, reverse interview, or ask me, let the AI interview you. Look at this prompt. I want to create a personalized diet and workout plan for weight loss. Before generating any plan, do not write anything else. Ask me 7 specific and key questions to fully understand my physical condition, lifestyle, dietary preferences, and goals. Once I answer all your questions, then generate the comprehensive plan. This trick is truly like magic, and less than 1% of users actually know it exists. Usually, when you want to do something major, like writing a business plan, creating a workout routine, or planning a trip, it's hard to write all the details of your situation in a single prompt. you're bound to forget something. The reverse interview trick is telling the AI, don't generate anything yet. Ask me questions first to fully understand everything, and only then start the task. It wrote down the questions, and now all you have to do is answer them and click Generate.c. The AI starts asking key questions, acting exactly like a doctor or a personal trainer. All you have to do is answer them to get the most accurate and personalized output possible without needing any complex prompt engineering. This method is also incredible for startup planning and academic study plans. Here it asked if I want a checklist as well. I'll click Yes to see what kind of checklist it provides. The result is absolutely outstanding. It wrote everything like a professional trainer. The 3-day workout routine, the gluten-free diet plan that I wanted, and even the workouts and meals are perfectly matched with one another. Trick number 5. Customized output formatting format. Look at this prompt to see how stylish and practical it makes the output. Create a comprehensive 3-day travel itinerary for Dubai Island. Format the output strictly as a table with 4 columns. Column 1, day and time. Column 2, attraction/activity. Column 3, estimated cost and IRR. Column 4, key tip, advice. The output exactly to your taste. Aren't you tired of AI giving you 10 long, tedious paragraphs for every simple question? You can restrict the output format to exactly what you like, such as tables, summarized bullet points, programming code, JSON format, or even Markdown files. Use a friendly tone and avoid writing any additional conversational paragraphs. Without any unnecessary pleasantries or fluff, it gave us a clean, direct table that we can easily copy into an Excel sheet or save on our phones. You can also use this trick to summarize books and learn concepts quickly. It writes down all the sections separately in a sheet for us. An interesting thing is that on the right side, it opened up Google Maps, showing those exact locations, allowing you to browse photos of those places too. Well guys, there you have it. Chatting with AI and prompt engineering isn't hard or mysterious at all. You just need to know how to treat these systems like a professional and set clear boundaries and guidelines for them. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more awesome tricks and cutting-edge AI tools, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell. Let me know in the comments, which of these tricks have you used before? Until the next video, stay creative and goodbye.